Yeah, this is a Seva Bharati Isolation Center. Here we take patients who are mild COVID patients. That is, if they have saturation more than 95%, respiratory rate less than 24, and all the other parameters are normal, especially pulse rate, blood pressure, and all these things. Um, and the age limit what we have kept is 18 years to 65 years. And we have an online call center where patient calls to the call center, and then later we ask their symptoms, we ask about their comorbidities, we ask about their RT-PCR results. Based on these things, we invite them to come to the registration counter where we have a 24/7, we have a doctor who assess the patients, and if the patient fits into our criteria of mild disease, we admit them to isolation center. As on today, we have around 120 patients now, but over the last 15 days, we have admitted around 200 patients, and we have already discharged around 30 patients, and few people had to leave the facility due to lockdown as they wanted to travel back to their home. And in few cases we have referred the patients to the nearby health facilities when their SpO2 drop. As of now, we have a general ward where we can accommodate about 250 patients, and we also have an emergency ward which basically when there is some emergency or the SpO2 falls, we have a place to stabilize them. We have around 10 beds in emergency ward with oxygen concentrator, and 2 beds also have oxygen. But however, these are mainly to manage the critical window when there is a fall in SpO2 till we are able to shift them out. And we have also earmarked some of the health facilities nearby and also government facilities where we refer the patient in case if they are not maintaining their saturation. And we have round the clock, we have 2 doctors who are there here 24/7, and also in shift we have 2 more doctors. One comes in the morning and the other works in the night shift. And we have 3 consultants who visit the patients and prescribe the medicines and also make any necessary changes in their routine care. What we have done is we don't have in-house laboratory facilities, but on the sixth day of the admission or the 6th day of diagnosis, we get their basic investigations done to rule out if there is any cytokine storm. In case if the person has a cytokine storm, we make the modifications in the treatment what we are giving. We shift them into moderate category, and if they are maintaining the saturation, we start them on steroid. If it's not happening, then what we do is we shift them out to the health facilities for further care. Successfully, we have sort of discharged 38 patients now, which means that they completed their more than 10 days of isolation, with last 3 days of not having any symptoms, mainly fever. So people are quite happy, and everything is provided free of cost, all the drugs, food, everything. And the other utility is we have some sort of a integrated care here. We have yoga therapist who comes in the morning, patient goes to the field and they do yoga from 6:30 to 7:30. And one thing which I notice is there is quite a good amount of bonding among the patients, and also they are quite happy with their routine, the food what they receive, the yoga what they do, and they are so excited about Surya Namaskar what they do. So this is some sort of a motivation they have when they are in the facility. So as of now, things are going well, and due to we used to get around 20 patients per day, but post lockdown there are travel restrictions, the numbers have come down. We are getting on an average 15 admissions per day, and same time we are discharging about 20 as of now. That's it from my end. Thank you.